because we liked neutral colors and natural materials, so we thought of like Muji design concept suits us. It's like a dream comes true. This is our dream house, and transforming from an ordinary house into the house that we want. And this, we feel very touched, apart from amazed by the design. So we feel very touching because this is the house that we want, and especially my son likes it very much.
Today's episode on Design Seeds, we will be sharing knowledge and inspiration based on a project we recently completed in Desa Park City. What was initially a modern tropical home with multiple courtyards and confined unused spaces was restricting the usability of our clients' family expansion plans. Before we get into the amazing transformation, if you're not subscribed to our channel yet, please do it now and support us in creating a better awareness and understanding of the interior design and architecture scene. The client's brief was to create larger spaces, less dividing walls, and avoid having underutilized corners. But when we visited the site, we knew based on experience, most of these walls had columns running underneath them.
It's the original structure itself, it's kind of like...
not so user-friendly.
Yes.
So we move into a user-friendly, which suit our need. We would like the practicality and the functionality to use of the space. And simple, but we still want to have some small design in it, which is clean and clear, which Muji style come into our mind.
Based on the ground floor layout, we extended the foyer, the outdoor courtyard, kept the existing center courtyard to still allow for natural lighting to brighten up the heart of the home. And then we relocated the guest bathroom and extended the back portion of the property and turned the initial narrow space planning from this into a spacious and cozy home like this. Taking advantage of the semi-detached side garden, we appointed a landscape specialist to create our own view with a modest timber decking that extends the dining out to the veranda when a small party happens. The house orientation was directed to complement the stretch of landscape via large floor-to-ceiling window openings that gives a wider impression to the new floor plans. The center courtyard was turned into a high-volume indoor kids' play area with louver sliding doors that allows for noise and air condition to be contained and still allowing natural lighting to penetrate in the heart of the home. But of course, there's always the challenging part to every happy ending. The restructuring of the new floor plans consists of several existing columns that parks right in the center of some spaces. Proper engineering calculations and time-consuming structure strengthening wet works had to be carried out, followed by vibration and commissioning tests to ensure the safety of the relocation of the column's weight load. It was all certainly worthwhile when the outcome turns out like this. The dry kitchen is highlighted with a feature timber arch. This frames the irregularity of the appliances and cabinet sizes and makes it a pleasant focal masterpiece that stages the dining area as an enjoyable foreground. The living hall was designed to have a framed timber feature to connect the interior and the exterior. The carpentry feature acts as a picture frame capturing moments. An extended seating area for guests conveniently arises as a surprising feature.
We don't want to waste the space and want to maximize it with it. So we have a lot of pocket space with different function. But designer make it very good and connected, which do not contrast each other, but they match the idea. Like from the living room to the kitchen to the yard, all this is connected and is very, very comfortable. So when we come to the home, when we come in, then we can see a very clean area. We have a greenery, we have sunlight and Muji, which have a very different feeling, which calm us down. Like our work already very tension. When we come back, the environment is cozy, then we can start to relax our mind.
And I'm also in love with the quality and the well-crafted furniture. They are highly practical. They actually have ample storage space for me to hide all my stuff. And I like the seamless storage space. It is long-lasting and it is very sustainable for this house. I think it's a perfect balance between the sustainability and the soothing sensation.
On the first floor, we extended the existing lanai area that was initially facing major leakage problems and turned the extra space into a roomy and comfortable walk-in closet. The dividing wall between the walk-in wardrobe and the sleeping area was intentionally closed up with glass panels. This is to contain and to avoid affecting the husband when the wife is preparing. The existing bathroom for the entire property had to undergo major renovation. Some were too narrow to even fit a proper wash basin. To give a brighter and taller impression of the bathroom, we played with small details which gives great impact. Here's a tip for you. We applied grey terrazzo finish on the lower part of the walls falling through to the floor for easy maintenance and more dirt resistance. On the eye level, we applied white narrow tiles vertically to elongate the height of the bathroom. Paired with carpentry cabinets and doors that is featured in vertical matching strips, the entire bathroom makeover becomes a minimalist, cozy and pleasant surprise. Black framed aluminium shower screens paired with black metallic Hans-Grohe sanitary fittings creates a strong contrast against the neutral tonality of the bathroom. There was one bathroom that was too narrow to even fit a fair-sized wash basin, and we took the challenge as an opportunity to craft a statement that enhances both the bathroom and the bedroom. Another interesting transformation on the first floor would certainly be the reading room, which is my favorite space in this property. One of the major requirements from the owners was to be able to cultivate a comfortable sanctuary for reading. Our designs are always emphasized on open spaces and correlating relationships between human interactions. Because the three-story semi-detached had sufficient rooms to go around, we demolished the two bedrooms at the rear to transform two bedrooms into one mini library.
Normally, I wake up in the morning at 4 a.m. To study, then or read books. Then I will do notes. Started since my secondary school, the habits until now.
My husband likes to read books, so we also have a very small son, so we want to cultivate the reading culture in this house. So we want this house to be like having a spacious study room so that the whole family we can study in this room.
In addition to the formality and productivity, we enhance a feature to the mini library with a dreamy corner daybed that allows for the owners to unwind, read, relax, and occasionally allows the room for the children to take their afternoon nap. Most of our projects, we emphasize on connecting to nature and bringing the energy from the outdoors into the interior. The beauty of Malaysia is the tropical weather. We only need to adapt to sun, wind, and rain. What we did here was we created multiple planter boxes around the home, which adds a vibrant positive energy, elevating the quality of interior spaces. And
you can see near outside the study room there is a plant area. If when we have the mind block, we can just walk out, then we sit at the corner, then the air and the environment is good, then the mind is going to move faster and think faster when the things that we can't clear.
We like the neutral colors, so we choose the color tone as like in cream colors, light wood colors, because it makes the space brighter and it also making the space more lively. We enjoy spending our time in the living room. It is the place where you feel you disconnect from your typical urban work. You know, that's the meaning of the home. After a tiring and a hectic working day, and you step into this house, it makes you to disconnect from your work and you spend your quality time with your family.
The tonality of the entire home was to depict a Muji-inspired concept. Muji is a Japanese concept that embodies an exquisite and minimalist design concept that is influenced by the Japanese Zen culture. Muji-style interior shares a serene, organized, warm and welcoming vibe. With the linear strips and framed carpentry design features and organic elements looking subtle yet creating interesting hints of pleasant detailing. This project adds a memorable chapter to our channel, turning a tropical resort home into an entirely different minimalist and cozy humble abode. It was certainly a challenge, but definitely an experience we truly enjoyed. Design Seeds is looking to expand to elevate our design content to continue inspiring and cultivating the right understanding of the interior design and architecture scene. If you'd like to be part of this movement, please support us by contributing a small amount by clicking on the Super Thanks button below. Don't forget to subscribe and stay in the loop to more of our weekly compelling design episodes. My name is Alex Lee, and I'll see you guys next week. Thank you for watching.